Diálogo de rutina. Estudiante A y B. A. Hi, how is your best friend? B. My best friend is Carlos. He is 20 years old and he is a university student. A. Where does he study? B. He studies engineering at a local university. A. What time does he work up? B. He works up at 6 in the morning. He takes a shower and has breakfast at 6:30 a.m. A. Does he go to university every day? B. Yes, he does. He goes to university at 7:30 a.m. He studies in the morning. A. What does he do in the afternoon? B. In the afternoon he does more homework and works part-time at a supermarket. A. Does he play sports? B. Yes, he does. He plays soccer in the evening, but he doesn't play video games. B. Now tell me about your best friend. What is her name? My best friend is Mariana. She is 19 years old and she works in office. B. What time does she start work? She starts work at 9 a.m. She has breakfast at 7 a.m. and goes to work by bus. B. What does she do in the afternoon? In the afternoon she studies English and is exercise at the gym. B. Does she cook dinner? Yes, she does. She cook dinner at 7 p.m. and watches TV at 9. B. Does she go to bed late? No, she doesn't. She goes to bed at 10. Es RTVP in she docente. Es more cold drink coffee. B. That's great. Our best friends are very responsible. Yes, they are.